First one we'll discuss conditional statements. Okay, what are the conditional statement? If else, if else if, nested if we'll discuss. Okay. Yeah, you know what is if statement? You know if statement. What is if? Okay, if is used to. Okay, if you want to execute some statements in special conditions, then we have to go for if, right? Okay, some statements in the application, I want to execute some statements in special cases when the some conditions are true, then I want to execute, then we have to go for if. Okay, what is if expect 0 or 1? If expect 0 or 1, what is 0? 0 means false, 1 means true, right? See, here if I write 0, 0 means false, 1 means true. We should not write true and false. If I write if of true, example, if I write if of true, then it gives error. It gives error. We should not write like this. Example C, I will show you. In the program, I want to execute some statements. Here see clear screen, it removes the previous output. If of true, if I write if of true, compiler will give an error. If it is true, now I want to print some statements. Welcome message I want to print. See here I have written if of true, compile error undefined symbol true. That is error. We should not write true. Then what you have to write? Write 1. 1 means true. Then this statement will be executed. 2. Can I write a 2? Is it valid? Yes. If I write 2 also, then it is true. Then welcome message will be executed. Clear? What I'm talking about? If I write 0, 0 means what? False. False means then it won't print anything. Clear? Okay. What is this message? What is this message? If I write this message, this is called local block. Local block will be executed always. This is called local block. This is called local block. Then welcome message will be executed. Clear? Understood? Yeah. If I write if statement, then it treated as if statement. If of one, if I write if of one, that is true. When it is true, then only the statement will be executed. Right? Example. Now instead of 1, I want to write 2 less than 3. What is 2 less than 3? 2 less than 3, it is a true or false? 2 less than 3. 2 less than 3, condition, relational operator, it is relational operator returns either 0 or 1. 2 less than 3, it is true, then it returns a 1. 1 means true, then the statement will be executed, printf welcome. Okay, what is my question? Can I write a semicolon here? Can I write a semicolon? Is it valid or not? Guys, tell me, can
No,
I write a semicolon?
not valid.
No, not
It
valid.
is valid, but the thing
Yeah.
is, it won't be. It will ignore it.
Yeah.
If
What is mean by semicolon? Semicolon means terminator, right? Semicolon means terminator. Terminator means nothing but it doesn't have any statement. That is the ending of statement. You can write semicolon also. If I write a semicolon, then what is mean by semicolon? Semicolon treated as a there is an end of that statement. If semicolon. If I write if semicolon, then compiler treat as if doesn't have any statement. That is the meaning. If I write a semicolon, then compiler treat as like this. If doesn't have any statement. What about this statement? This is called local block. Local block will be executed always. Clear? If semicolon, if I write a semicolon, then compiler it take it like this. If doesn't have any one statement, if doesn't have any statement, then this block is treated as a local block. This block will be executed. See here, if I write like this, welcome. If I write a semicolon also same, it take it as, if I write a semicolon also, it take it as same local block. See, if I write a semicolon, it is not error. Here also welcome will be printed. Clear it is? We can write a semicolon. We can write a semicolon. It's not a mistake. It's not a mistake. We can write a semicolon. Okay. Okay.
Sir, if we
Now,
write negative value in that,
yeah. What is mean by negative? I will show you. Negative. Other than zero, I told you. I told you other than zero, it is true. Example, if I give -5, -5 also true, then it prints welcome. Okay, what about float value? If I give a float value 5.8, 5.8 is also true. Only two conditions false. What are the two conditions? 0 is a false, I told you, and slash 0 is also false. I told you 0 and slash 0. What is slash 0? Null character. Null character also false, then it won't print that message. Okay, slash 0. Whenever if I write a slash 0, ASCII value it takes. What is ASCII value? Then it is 0. Null character ASCII value 0. If 0 means false, then it returns false. Then it won't print any message. Clear it is? Guys, you understood, right? If condition is true, then it is valid. Now I want to write 2 less than 3. I am writing 2 less than 3. Condition is true, then this statement will be executed. Else block, you know what is else? Else is means false. When it is false, I want to print hello message. Now tell me which message will be executed. This is true or false? 2 less than 3.
True.
True. Then welcome message will be executed. Clear? Yeah. Now, can I write semicolons now? Can I write a semicolons now? Is it valid or not? Now I want to write a semicolon. Now check it.
Invalid.
Is it invalid?
Um,
Previously
else
it is
without if.
valid. Sorry?
Else without if. It will be the error.
Very good. See, what is the meaning of semicolon? Semicolon. See, else. What is if else? In the if else, when we are writing a syntax, when we are writing if else syntax, else we have to write after ending of if. After ending of if only we have to write a semicolon. This is ending of if, ending of if, else you have to start from here, else you have to start from after in immediate ending of if we have to start else. This is a immediate ending, here you have to start, this is else block, then it is valid. Now it is valid. Okay, if I write a semicolon here, if I write a semicolon, then how compiler it treats, how compiler treats, I told you semicolon means doesn't have any statement, then compiler treats like this. Compiler treats like this. If I write a semicolon, then where it expects else, here it expects else, right? Here it expects else, but else, where is else? Here it is else. Now it gives the compiler, it gives error misplaced else. See, that is a misplaced else. If I write a semicolon, if I write a semicolon, then compiler will give an error, then compiler will give an error, that is misplaced else. See, that is misplaced else, that is warning, this is error. Got it? Semicolons we can write for if, we can write for if, then it is syntactically, see, logically we have to write a semicolon. Okay, got it guys? Now first write this, this is error. First write this. What is the error? Misplaced else. Okay, clear it is that? Write this and error, write error, that is misplaced else. Misplaced else. Why? Because semicolon is there, misplaced else. First write that error, I will explain one by one. Okay now? Guys, now tell me, is it valid or not? Now I remove these braces. Can I write like this? Is it valid? Niharika, is it
No.
valid? No.
No.
Why?
Uh, valid, sir.
Now it is valid. Why? Because if doesn't have any statement. Now if doesn't have any statement, now it is valid, it is. Here it is, now it is valid. Okay, means what? If doesn't have any statement, 2 less than 3, 2 less than 3, true, but there is no statement, there is no statement. Now what is the output? Nothing is the output, nothing is the output, right? Why? Because if this condition is true, if this condition is true, there is no statements to print, right? Can I write for else also semicolon? Is it valid? Yes. If I write else, means what is the meaning of this semicolon? Semicolon, if doesn't have any statement, and else also doesn't have any statement. Clear guys? If doesn't have any statement, else also doesn't have any statement. Here also there is no statements for if, there is no statements for else also. Clear? Yeah. Now see guys, can I write like this? Now I want to write if printf of, now I want to write if printf of see any name. Now I want to write if C language or Suntech. Now I want to write Suntech. Can I write if of Suntech printf hello? Now I want to print hello, else bye. Now I want to write hi or here bye. See what is the output now? Is it error or valid?
Valid, sir.
Valid. Then what is the output?
Suntech hello.
Suntech.
Hello.
Why? Because printf returns, what is printf returns? Length of the string, right? Printf returns the length of the string. That's why what is output now? Suntech printf statement it prints. Printf statement it prints. Suntech it prints. Suntech it prints. What is the length of the string? 6 characters. Now if six means true, if 6 means true, then it prints hello. Suntech and hello will be printed. Suntech and hello. Okay. Right. Suntech and hello. Print I have written. That's why it is showing printf here. See. Now printf and hello. Once I execute this, Suntech and hello. Clear it is? Suntech and hello. Right. Now what I want to write? Not printf. Can I write not printf? Here I want to write not printf. Now tell me what is the output now. If I write not printf, first Suntech will be printed. Not printf means it is a returns 6. It returns 6. 6 means true. Not 6 means 0. If 0 means else block will be executed, I will be executed. Clear it is? Now what is the output? Suntech and high. See the output? Suntech and high. Okay, in one exam, in one interviewer asked the question, print your name without using semicolon. Okay, guys, understood? Normally, how to print your name using printf statement we write. Okay, we write like this: printf your name. Okay, we write and semicolon. You ask the question without using semicolon, then how to write? Clear? In if or while or anywhere you can write. This is the answer. How to print your name without semicolon? This is the answer. Okay, so without semicolon, we can print the statement like this. Okay. Yeah, next question guys, you understood? If next question, write all of you. Float a equals to 0.7 guys, float a equals to 0.7, you know that. Now my question is what? A less than, a value is less than 0.7, a value is less than 0.7, printf hello, otherwise printf hi. Write this program and tell the output. Lohit, write this program and tell the output.
Sir, it's hello.
Sorry.
The output is hello, sir.
Niharika, hello.
It's hi, sir.
Hi. Okay, we'll check it. This is A is how much? 0.7. 0.7 less than 0.7. True or false? Now tell me this condition. 0.7 less than 0.7.
It's true, sir.
It's true. Why it is true?
Because 0.7 is double and float is always less than double.
Okay. Now here which one is left value is a float or right value is a float in this case?
A is float.
A is float. This is double.
0.7 is double.
Yeah, good. You understood, right, guys? A is a float. A is a float. We are storing 0.7 value. When you store 0.7, already I told you, float value is a less than double. This is double. This is float, right? I told you when I store 0.7, it won't take 0.7, right? It won't take 0.7. How compiler creates this number? It takes the number like this, 0.69. That day I told you 0.699 less than 0.7 it takes. Okay, in A, if I store 0.7, if I store 0.7, it won't take 0.7. It won't take 0.7. It takes 0.69. Some data loss will occur. That is the 0.7. What Prithvi? Tell me. Prithvi? Yeah, Prithvi.
Yes, sir. I am unmuted just now. That's time.
See, from your side, if any sound comes, I will mute your audio. It disturbs others also. Okay? You are
Okay.
listening, right? Those sounds?
No, sir.
No, no, not from. See that vehicle sounds are those. Whenever that sound is coming, then I will mute your audios. After that, I will unmute automatically. If there is when I'm asking question, I will unmute. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys, right? Yeah. If I write 0.7, 6.0, 0.699 is less than 0.7, then it is true. That's why it is hello will be printed. Then hello will be printed. See, output is hello. Okay, now if I write, guys, 0. A equals to 0.7f. Now tell me, guys, condition true or false?
True, sir.
True. Why? Because this is true. This is float. This is also float, right? This is float and this is also float. When both float, this float value is equal to float value, then condition is true. Hello. Then condition is true. Hello, right? Then answer is what? Hello will be printed. See, hello will be printed. Same question if I write a less than of 0.7f if I write a less than of 0.7f. Previously I have written 0.7. Now I am writing 0.7f. If I write 0.7f, it is a float. It's also float. Float less than float. Float less than float. Condition. Float less than float. False, right?
False.
Float is less than float. This is also
Yes, sir.
0.7. This is also 0.7. 0.7 less than is 0.7. Cross, then I will be printed. See this. Clear, guys? You understood, right? When you are writing float and double values, you have to understand this. Okay? Clear it is? Next program. Next program. If and else. Next program. If and else. Right? See. Now I am writing a next program. Right. You know this. Int a equals to 3. Now I am writing int a equals to 3. Clear screen. Guys, if a left shift of 2, if a left shift of 2, printf hello. Now I want to print hello, and after that I want to print a value. Now I want to print a value slash and a equals to percentile d, right? What is that a value? Just percentile d a value I want to print. Tell me, guys, what is the output now? Yeah, Prudvi.
Hello.
Yeah, Prudvi. You are absent, right, yesterday? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sai Nikita. Niharika.
12, sir.
Huh?
12, sir. 3 into 2 square.
Does it print to hello statement or not?
No, sir. It won't print and A is 3, sir. Sorry. It's 3.
It won't print hello.
3. It prints, sir. Hello and 3. Answer. Output.
Hello
Hello
and
and 3, sir, answer.
And 3.
3 or 12.
I guess hello and 12, sir.
Hello and 12. Yeah. See guys,
Hello.
A left shift 2 we are writing. A left shift 2. What is A left shift 2 value? 3 into 2 square. 3 into 2 square. Here it takes 12. We are not changing the A value. Then answer is what? Hello and what is the A value? We'll check it. Hello and A value is 3. See this. Okay. Hello and 3. When A value will be modified? When A value will be modified, A equals to, if I write A equals to A left shift 2, then A value will be modified. Then A value is how much? Hello and 12 it is. Here it is. Guys, right? Then if I write like this, A left shift 2, then A value takes 3 only. If I write A equals to A left shift 2, then A value become 12. Write this.